First we are going to soak gelatin in water and leave it for at least a minute. So now we are going to melt the gelatin first. Gelatin is melted. Now I am going to add my white chocolate inside. If you don't like too much chocolatey white chocolate taste, you can avoid white chocolate also. Nicely melt your chocolate. Once your chocolate is melted, add cream cheese, sugar, and combine evenly. So once your cream cheese is combined, now we are going to fold our whipping cream inside. I've melted chocolate. I'm going to add cream to it. Dip your sponge fingers in coffee syrup and arrange it as a bottom layer. Now I'm going to add my base mixture on top of this. On top of this, I'm going to add my chocolate ganache. Now one more layer of sponge fingers. Now I'm going to add again one more layer of So on top I'm going to add one more layer of chocolate ganache. This goes for setting for 4 hours in the fridge. Chocolate Tiramisu Cake.